Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'm gonna be installing hair from Eayonhair, and the hair did come in that pretty pink package. So as you guys saw from the intro, I am gonna be installing their Boho Goddess locks, and these locks have the curly human hair. So this is my braid pattern. I did it a little neater this time. I'm trying my very best. In the package you get a clip and a crochet hook as always, and I am using the color T30 and the color 1B, and I do have the hair in 24 inches. So that's what the hair is looking like. So to do the crochet, it's just like I always do my crochet, like nothing new, nothing crazy, still the same. Insert the crochet hook downward and I pull the hair through. So the thing that I like with this hair for installing, especially the T30 color, is that you could pull the loop down, so it gets a little bigger, a little wider, so it's easier for you to pull the hair through. The locks aren't very thick, but they are not too slim either, so that makes it gets a little difficult sometimes for the black one. But for the T30 it's pretty easy because you can pull the loop down and open it a little wider. I hope that makes sense. I'm going to be showing you guys what I'm talking about. But to do the crochet of the T30, as you can see here, it was way easier to open the loop than it is for the 1B color. But overall the install was pretty easy. Didn't take me a very long time to accomplish, which I like, you know. So I've always wanted to do these boho goddess locks kind of thing, so that's what I'm showing you. So you could pull it down to make the loop a little wider, which is very convenient to make it easier for you to install your hair without you have to spend, you know, a long time trying to unravel it or anything like that. And the best thing to do is to make sure your base is good. Once you have a neat base, then your hair will look pretty fire like mine did. So I am using the illusion method as always. So my last crochet braid I use the elastic bands, but for this one I just kind of did a plait and then connect them like I always do. So yeah, it's pretty easy. If you want to do individuals, you could also do that, but this works for me. Like I said before, I change my hair pretty often and I really don't want to do individuals and then have to take them out so quickly. Like I will keep my hair for like 2 weeks at a time and then I will proceed to change it. So as you guys can imagine, if I do individuals and wrap them, it's gonna take a very long time. So let's continue with the install. So with this here, it wasn't very heavy, it was very lightweight. I did receive 3 packs, 2 of the T30 and 1B. Again, this is from Eayonhair. They specialize in crochet hair, braiding hair, and wigs as well, and they do specialize in a lot of human hair braids, which you guys know is very popular right now. Everyone is getting locks with human hair, knotless braids with human hair, and you know, so on. So they have very affordable prices. The price is not bad, and you can reuse these hair multiple times, because come on sis, I'm not just gonna take this out and throw it away. I'm gonna keep it and I'm gonna reuse it. So if you are interested in investing in some nice hair that will last you a good little while, then you can go ahead and check out Eayonhair. So the thing with this too is that the curly hair kind of get a little knotted, tangled while I'm pulling it through, but it's only because I'm pulling it through, right? So it didn't take a very long time for me to crochet this hair in like less than an hour or an hour max. So that's what it's looking like for the front. The front is complete. It looks like individuals, like honestly I don't know if it's just me, but that's how it looks to me, like individuals. And at this point I was really loving the color combination and really loving the hair against my skin. So for the back, I did individuals in the back of my hair. I don't know what happened, but it broke off. So now I'm trying to grow it, so I try to make sure I put it in a braid or something every time I do crochet and don't leave it out, just to make sure that I grow it. So if the back looks a little funny, that's because I'm trying to regrow it, okay? So I don't try to do too much to that. So for the back, I just put the hair like 2 finger width apart. I did it with a lot of space because I wasn't sure if I had enough hair. Again, I received 3 packs and I think I have 22 pieces of hair in each pack. So you know, to do crochet, if you're doing crochet, then you use a little bit more than if you do individuals, right? So I did like 2 finger width apart just to make sure I have enough hair, and whenever I was done, I go in and fill those empty spaces in after I complete my entire head. I hope that makes sense to you guys. Hope it makes sense. So this is it complete, guys, and it looks like a lot of hair, but honestly it wasn't heavy. The hair was lightweight, even though it's locks and human hair, it was lightweight. So this is what it looks like before I had water. So I'm gonna be adding some water to the hair just to get the curls to pop, and some mousse as well, because it does have the curly human hair. So you need to add some water and some mousse, or you can use water and leave-in conditioner if that's what you rather, but I like water and mousse. Sometimes I do conditioner. And then my daughter is helping me as always, mommy's little helper. So yeah, this is what this hair is looking like. I really love the hair, honestly guys. I really wanted to try a hair like this, and I was really happy that I got to collaborate with Eayonhair. I really love the hair. The length was really long, even though it's 24 inches. It was really long, and I really like, if you're going on vacation and you want something to do, summer now, want to put your hair in a protective style, you're going on vacation, this would be perfect for that. And yeah, lightweight, the loops are easy to open. I received 3 packs, so if your head is a little bigger than mine, you know, your domology is bigger, you might want to get 4 packs, but 3 packs was enough for me. I had like 2 pieces left over, but all in all, I was able to complete my head without leaving any spaces, or too many spaces rather. So this is the hair down as it is with the mousse and water, which I really like this. I really love the color combination. Honestly, this T30 and 1B slapped. And if you know me, you know if I do my hair, I'm gonna be doing a half up, half down all the time. Half up, half down is kind of my thing. Every time I get my hair braided, everything I do to my hair is always a half up, half down. I don't know, but I just really like it, you know. It just does something for me, I guess. I don't like hair in my face, but I still like to have the hair in the back, so I do half up, half down. And as soon as I finish your hair, it was easy for me to move it around and everything like that, because my braids weren't tight, the locks were, it was perfect. Honestly, I really love this hair. So again, I have 3 packs of the T30 and the color 1B, and this is Eayonhair Boho Goddess Locks in 24 inches. So if you're interested, go ahead and check it out. And the curly hair is human as well, so it will last you a good little while, and you can go ahead and reuse it. So this is the length on me. Like I said, it's 24 inches, but it was pretty long, and I'm 5 feet 6 inches. So I hope that makes sense to you guys. It's like butt length for me, the top of my butt. So that's gonna be it for this video, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to be the most authentic you. Peace. Keep slaying, queens. Bye.